When I got the listing and I explored the mansion, I fell in love with every detail. I decided to do something that is really exciting for a property of this caliber. So I thought, why not showcase it to the world and collaborate with one of the top realtors globally? I started texting him, and during an online call, I shared all the pictures and videos. He was even more excited, and he said, Nagam, I would love to be part of this project. And who else but Josh and Matt Altman, the Altman brothers, coming all the way from LA to Dubai. For those who doesn't know, Josh Altman is in a league of his own.
Wow, this is unbelievable. This is not what I expected. Yeah, you walk up to the door over here and you have no idea this is behind the door. It's unbelievable.
The is top notch.
What is this marble? Because that's gorgeous. Look at the way it matches the car. It's like the perfect combo with radar. Look at this. This is beautiful. I've never actually seen that color stone. I can't get over how beautiful the facade is. The front of this building is just incredible.
It's funny, we see a lot of houses, you know, on Instagram or TikTok or marketed, but I've never seen a house in Dubai finished to this level.
Yes, a lot of attention to details. Even you can see here for the furniture, it's sourced only from top brands.
Everything's negotiable, right, for the right price, but I will say that what's nice, especially for investors from our side of the world, for people looking for a second, third, fourth home, or maybe this might be their primary residence, just the fact that you can come in here, buy everything. It's the ultimate turnkey house, ready to go.
This is 3,000 square meters. This is really very spacious, and this chandeliers is special because it was installed piece by piece, and that's not easy. If you can see the mirrored ceiling all over.
Yeah.
We have like over 5,000 square foot of mirrored ceiling.
I was going to say, this is definitely not an easy chandelier to put in. You make one little crack, you got to redo the whole thing.
Yes. All the tables are handcrafted meticulously. That this is all special pieces that's going. It's not ready-made.
There's not, everything feels custom in this house.
Yes,
Like, there doesn't look like a piece of this.
Also, it's nice because it's a big house, right? But you have all these different moments, these different sitting areas throughout the house that really have their own personalities.
I feel the same way. You're standing here and you've got a sitting area over there, you have the outdoor fire pit area, another lounge area, the dining room table. You can have a party in here with probably hundreds of people and never feel like it's full. Wow, look at that dining room, Josh.
That's the formal dining table. It's currently accommodating 16 people. This is designed by Timothy Alton, beautiful and super sleek.
I mean, I looked first up at the chandelier. I assume it's by the same designers over there, because these are absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love this stone and the way that this piece of art is built into the wall like this. Also how there's different sitting areas, different entertaining areas, different dining areas.
There's so many moments in this house.
Yeah.
It looks super important, right? You feel like, you know,
I think everything in this house makes you look super important.
like a king.
This makes me feel super hungry. And natural light, look at this. Like, we're walking around and just the way the light captures everything is really beautiful.
So this is the show kitchen. We have a show kitchen and utility one. This is the dining table.
I have to tell you, one of the coolest parts that I have not seen before is the glass separating both kitchens, which, by the way, that might be the biggest prep kitchen I've ever seen in my life.
One important thing as well, the owner of this house who built this house, actually, he doesn't compromise over quality. So usually in the utility kitchen, you can put any kind of, you know,
Right.
equipment. It's exactly the same.
Just as beautiful, I agree.
Whatever you see here in the show kitchen, you see exactly in the utility kitchen. So you have 9 fridges, 5 here ratings kitchen, another 4 in the show kitchen.
I mean, this is a big deal. This is Josh's favorite thing in life.
Yeah.
The French fry machine.
The French frying machine, the greatest.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
You sure you don't want a picture of that? Because I have never seen a home French fry machine, but I sold.
This is definitely up there with some of the best houses that we've ever seen, from California to Dubai to anywhere.
Can I tell you what one of my favorite things is, Josh? I've never complimented the ceiling of a house before, but stand here and look up. It's art. I mean, it's unbelievable when you look up.
Even the finishes when it comes to the light fixtures, how you turn them all on over here. I've never seen this before.
Nope.
It's very unique, very
Yeah,
cool.
it's super sleek as well.
Yeah.
Look at this staircase. That looks like a piece of art in itself.
This is a special feature. I need to highlight it.
You have to.
This is, you can see the cables. It's coming all the way from the basement all the way to the rooftop, connecting all the 4 floors.
These are one piece.
It's all one piece.
So how much is the villa?
This is $29 million.
See, I feel like that's cheap for what we see globally. I feel like that's not expensive at all for what this is.
Believe me, I tell you, look, Dubai has seen significant growth with its population for the last 20 years, increasing by 170% between 2000 and 2023. I've seen a lot of houses, you know, in this market. A lot of beautiful homes has been built, whether for living or for investments. However, in comparison to this villa, there is almost no developer that can match our level of craftsmanship and customization. It's not very common in Dubai, by the way. Even on this scale, this is not common. Because this is 14 people capacity, fully panoramic. The outdoor as well, thank you. Look at this art piece, full of vibrant colors.
Yeah, I love the colors throughout the house, but also just the volume, the sheer volume of these rooms are amazing.
It's so nice that from outdoors you can just walk down too. You want friends to come in, you don't want them going through the whole house, you're having an event.
Exactly.
I like that easy access. Or, you know, Josh is a big bowler. He could turn this into a bowling alley.
It could be your own bowling alley.
This could be your own pickleball court. This is big enough to do a lot of stuff in here.
This is a very important feature. We don't have any drama in Dubai. If you live here, you have only the best quality.
That's the greatest part of this entire house, if you ask me.
Yeah, it's really a great room. The different things that you can do with the space, really it's just whatever that person who buys this can really make it their own, from a gym
to an art gallery.
Yeah. Yeah.
To a car museum. I mean, I feel like you could put anything down here.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. So this is great. You have staff rooms, multiple staff rooms, right?
3 maid's rooms.
Okay.
And each one is the size of a decent studio in Dubai. So we were generous even there.
Got it. So we are currently on the lower level.
Which doesn't feel like that because you have so much natural light and all of these doors open up, separate, you know, up and down staircase coming right in.
Even the doors here of the maid's room is also top quality, so we never compromise over the quality. All the same, all over the mansion.
It's really a great flex space for whatever somebody wants this to be. You have a lot of square footage here.
Yeah, I can see if you owned this house, Josh, this would be a gym. If I owned this, it would be an art gallery.
There you go. So there's 2 options right there.
So you're telling me this is the seating room off of the primary with its own kitchen?
Yes,
Wow.
with its own counter again.
Josh, you don't really have to worry about going down that elevator to get a drink.
I love this. The appliances are amazing. I mean, just being able to touch and feel everything in this house is so nice. Also, just the volume.
Another thing is that I don't know how many maids you will need to serve this house, because this is really, really huge.
In my house, I have this maid right here. We service the whole house. First thing I'm drawn to with my eyes is that beautiful tree over there, and obviously that leads into the primary.
That's olive trees, and we have a lot of, you know,
those are special olive trees, by the way. I have olive trees. They don't look like that.
So this is all the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom.
Oh my God.
Look at the sheer size of this room.
This is great. So you get to overlook the pool. You get to overlook
This can be fully open, so you see the king size bed.
Which, I'll tell you thought the TV looked small.
Yeah, this you can.
That looks like a twin in a normal house. I mean, that is huge.
But really, this is super king, and it's fully open to the balcony. Beautiful views, lush garden, the pool.
I also like the way that they put the turf down on the roof because it makes everything feel so warm. Instead of looking at a roof, you're looking at the grass.
I love how this is outlined, how he's got the mix of the wood floor.
Of white marble and Swiss lacquer as well. Beautiful combination.
Yeah, I love how it's mixed.
Another seating area. 2 openings from each side of the master bedroom. Her section, his section.
Josh, this tub would be perfect for one of us. You could have your whole family.
This really is. I mean, this is one of the best views of the house here because you have these beautiful balconies which sit off of each of the bedrooms, which is nice. You have a view of your auto gallery, and then of course you get to wake up to amazing sun.
Listen, can we go see the penthouse? That's what I've been dying to see.
Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna go to the penthouse level. So on this level here, we call it the penthouse level.
Yes.
And you have basically it's your own apartment on this level.
Exactly.
Again, every single room we've walked into, Josh, has a full kitchen.
Yeah, I love this stone over here. The color's really nice, and then the way that it's book mashed. Each one of these slabs is...
Every floor is just different than the other one.
Yeah.
This is particularly special. I noticed this downstairs when we walked in, but like you're saying, Josh, to see the veins run throughout this entire thing, I mean,
I tell you, this
look at that
is
view.
even bigger than a decent 3 bedrooms in Dubai.
Oh, I believe that 100%. By the way,
yeah.
we're not even noticing one of the most beautiful things to look at in all of Dubai on the side.
Yeah.
I'm sure at night that's got a glow and really looks stunning.
Yes.
Hold on, here we go. We got to do a selfie, all of us. Get in.
Let's do it.
Here we go. Dubai.
Dubai.
Dubai vibes. Habibi.
Habibi.
There
Come
it
to
is.
Dubai.
I love that.
Wow. Wow, what a great outdoor space. Full kitchen.
This is for your party, you know?
Wow.
For parties.
The view is
How
incredible.
many people do you think they can be here?
I'm sorry, I'm more impressed by this island. That's the biggest island I've ever seen in my entire... This has its own zip code. Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah, it's huge. It can accommodate like 20 people.
It's just your closest 20 friends.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the ultimate entertaining deck up here. I love it. You do feel like you're in a penthouse up here.
100%, and not just a penthouse, but one of the most beautiful penthouses I've ever seen in my entire life.
You get some awesome key, very well-known.
The skyline is very important in Dubai.
I mean, you're looking at over 180, maybe 270 degrees of views, and you're looking at iconic buildings.
Up here, you have Mall of the Emirates this side. You have the metro station super close to you. Just saying again, this is the Bentley showroom.
Well, that was one of the most impressive houses I've ever seen in my 20 years of selling the nicest houses in the world. This is unbelievable.
I got to tell you, everything really is bigger and better in Dubai, and this is a special home.
So, address and price again.
So this is in Jumeirah, Umm Al Sheif. This is one of the luxurious areas in Dubai, very special area because of the location and the neighborhood you have it. This is the plot size of 15,000 square foot, built up area of 25,000 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 14 high-end bathrooms, 100,000 square foot of travertine, 5,000 square foot of mirrored ceilings, $29 million. It's just, this is beautiful mansion. One of the best things that you can see ever in your life.
What do you think?
I mean, you can't beat that pitch. I definitely am interested. I just can't get over the attention to detail in this home. I've seen these materials all over the world, but I haven't seen them used in this way. And that makes this very unique and special to me.
Well, there you have it. If you want the best of Dubai living, this is available. 30 million American dollars. And in my mind, from everything that we see, this is priced to sell. So I'd be surprised if this is still available while we're finishing this video. Yeah.
And I just want to point out, Josh, one more thing is, again, every piece feels like it's curated. This does come with everything you see in this place?
Everything is coming with this price, except one thing, not the Lamborghini.
Not the Lamborghini.
And not all the luxury cars that is coming with, yeah?
Well, thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you
us
so
the
much,
tour today.
Josh.
We
It was
really
great
appreciate it.
meeting you,
My
and this is
pleasure.
just the beginning, yeah? We just
Absolutely.
a lot of videos together.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much. This really is a special home.
This is so cool. The courtyard that comes with this house, you have no idea it's behind this door. You have something on this level of real estate.
And look at this incredible lighting. I mean, Josh, you look good pretty much everywhere, but in this lighting,
Yeah?
it's a whole new thing.
So, yeah.
Oh, well, thanks. I'll take that. And of course, the ultimate pool party with the waterfalls going into the
I think
pool
we
here.
have at least 3 parties here. One in the guest lounge, one in the outdoor upstairs, and one inside as well.
You could have a party with everybody you know
Yeah,
and
Dubai
never
is a place
feel...
for parties as well. You work hard and you play hard.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes. Well, thank you again. And
Thank you so much.
we will we'll be in touch and look
Yeah,
forward to doing
sure.
business.
Same here.
So
nice to see you.
Bye. Same here.
Bye.
Bye.